The quoll is a critically endangered marsupial. They're about the size of a cat. They kind of look like Bambi of the marsupial world. They are absolutely beautiful little animals, and they're carnivores, so they eat meat. They particularly like frogs and other small lizards and things. And unfortunately in Australia, we have a toxic toad. So this is the cane toad that was an introduced species into Australia. They just breed so quickly that they outcompete all of our native frog species. So then our poor quoll, which eats frogs as one of its primary food sources, unfortunately they're susceptible to this cane toad toxin. So they eat the cane toad and then they die as a result of that toxin. If they had 1 million years before they went extinct, they would naturally evolve that resistance. They would actually get there on their own. It's just that they don't have 1 million years before we're going to run out of quolls. But we have the ability through our DNA editing technology, through everything we've learnt around marsupial conservation and other technologies that we've created with Colossal, how to actually edit those cells to create an animal that is resistant to that cane toad toxin. If we don't do anything for the quoll, in 10+ years, that animal will no longer exist. So what we did was, as a proof of principle to show that this would work, is we took our fat-tailed Dunnart stem cells that we've made as part of the Thylacine project, and we engineered those 2 changes into those Dunnart cells. Once we've done that, we can actually expose those cells to the toxin that comes from cane toads. For our unedited cells, when we put that toxin in, the cells are all dead within 24 hours. And for the cells that we've put those edits in, we can put 100 times higher level of bufatoxin in, and those cells still survive. So we've been able to show unequivocally now that that edit is actually creating a cane toad resistant marsupial. And so we're in a situation here where we can accelerate evolution by going in and making those edits. This is really the only way that we're going to save the quoll, and it will 100% save the quoll from extinction being able to do this. And we're just giving them that head start that they need to save that population and control the cane toads.